Hello and welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting my channel by watching my videos. We have another unboxing today. I know they look the same, but I promise you they are different and we have surprises in each box. This box is a DIY designer box. It's supposed to be 7 items. I ordered 2 last time together, but for some reason they split up and I got this one a few days later. And without further ado, we're gonna cut her open because I'm really curious what's inside. So we have a rescue box, DIY designer, 7 items. It's supposed to be $140 plus tax plus shipping, but I had some credit, so I think it was $30 or something like that. So that lowers a little bit the price per item. It seems like we have a lot of shoes for some reason. I don't know. I guess they have a lot of shoes to get rid of. But let's start. The mandatory Ferragamos, size 10B, pair of leather flats that are in good condition. They have the Ferragamo stamp here. They're not very worn, they're in good condition. It's a size 10B. It's a Ferragamo boutique, made in Italy. Beautiful brown metallic color, decent shape, and ready to be posted. Just a little bit of wiping down. And the bottoms are not very worn, which is a really good sign. Okay. Then we have a pair of suede slides, a size 40. It's a Mansour Gabriel, made in Italy. Very good condition. Oops. Mansour Gabriel. I never found this brand in the wild, but it seems like it's a decent quality and they're in very good condition. A leather sole and leather on the interior, very good condition. I am happy about this one. It just needs a little bit of reconditioning, and other than that, they're good to go. Then we have a wallet that is, I think, Tom Ford. I see a TF. Yes, Tom Ford. And it has a decent amount of space. It needs a little bit of cleaning. The toggle clasp has a little tarnishing on it, but the corners are in good condition. It is sellable, so not bad. Tom Ford. Plenty of space for the credit cards and bill slot. The toggle works perfectly fine, so happy about this one. I don't know if I'm gonna get a lot. Tom Ford is a good brand, but it's not very good condition, so I'm gonna have to research this. Let's see. I never got a Tom Ford. I never found it in the wild. I know it's a good brand, but let's see about this one. Then we have a pair of Gucci slides, clogs. This is a wood. The bottom is in very good condition. It's minimal wear. It probably was worn like once maybe. It says a 7.5 Gucci, and we all know that 7.5 in Italian sizing means 6.5, let's say. The hardware is in very good condition. There is no scratch on it. It's like a gold tone metal horsebit hardware with metal studs on the rims. And the interior wear is not that much. It just needs a little bit of cleaning on the interior. Underneath the hardware, it's kind of darkened, but I think I can fix that with some suede care. By the way, this is suede, and it's a very pale yellow color. Oh, and I see a little bit of damage here on this one at the tip. Probably someone just threw it against the wall. Cheating husband or something. Just kidding. It's not a big deal. It's in good condition, like barely worn, like I said. This can be fixed with a little bit of glue. Okay, I got a bag over here. It says Fendi. Woohoo! I love Fendi. Fendi is one of my favorite brands. This seems to be like a canvas fabric soft shell bag with a toggle clasp right here and leather interior, which I don't see any a little bit of damage here on the interior at the toggle clasp, but we have our Fendi mark. And let's see if Fendi has some sort of code or something. I don't see anything. I don't really see anything. So we have a little bit of damage here, but again, this is a DIY box. I don't expect everything to be perfect. It's not a big deal. I think it probably was repaired. If not, it's an easy fix. It has a crossbody strap, which is removable and adjustable. And the hardware has the Fendi logo on it. It has a little bit of tarnishing, like metal fading, color fading, but all in all, it's a good condition bag. And also at the handle, we have a little bit of use. We have a little bit of boo-boo here. Like I said, it's a DIY box. I don't expect everything to be in perfect condition, but I'm happy because I love Fendi and it's one of my favorite brands. So let's see how this one is going to perform. Next one is a Dolce & Gabbana, which has a few pulls I see at the back. The thread is coming out a little bit. It's a big pull. I hope I can fix it. I don't want to pull at it because it might undo the whole sweater, but very, very good brand. There are a few holes here that can be mended. It's not a rip. I can just sew this under the arm at the pit. And a few pulls, but other than that, it's a great sweater. And with the fall coming, and I think I'm happy about this one. It is an authentic Dolce & Gabbana, and all the buttons have the etched company name. They're all there, which is good. Let's see what the tag says. I think it's a medium. I don't have any. Oh, never mind. It's a size 42. 42 means a medium. By the way, when you get designer stuff like this, especially if it's made in Italy, the size tends to be on the shoulder on the interior. So just so you know. It says 57% viscose, 26 polyamide, and 11 cupro, which is the gold lame thread. Very cute, very stretchy knit. All right, we gotta fix that one. And the last item in the box is a Dolce & Gabbana t-shirt, like a graphic t-shirt. This one might be vintage. I see the tag on the exterior at the neckline and one tag here. It says 46, which is again medium. The back is plain. The front says Sicilia, and we have a stain at the front, which I'm gonna try to get out with the stain treatment. The interior tag says 100% cotton. So this is in very good condition, except that little stain that I'm confident that I can get out, because I became a little bit of a stain expert, stain removal expert. So really happy about this one. It seems to be unisex, so that's a great thing. It's broadening my customer base. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 3 pairs of shoes. We have 7 items. All in all, it's a better box than the other one, I think. And I'll be happy to post this in my closet really soon. So if you wish to shop my closet, or if you're interested in any of these items, please feel free to follow this closet name and get to Poshmark, or I will link it down below in the comments. A big thank you to Lindsay Clark, because without her I would not have been able to get these boxes. She lets her viewers know when the boxes are available on the Thredup website. So thank you so much, Lindsay. I will link your YouTube channel down below. Please guys, watch her. You can learn a lot from her. She gets the most amazing designer pieces in her box, and she is a seller on Poshmark and I believe Real and eBay. I don't know if I'm right. I'm just gonna link her YouTube channel down below so you can find her. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for supporting my closet, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.